So guys, we'll be starting this video using Glory Dome as our landmark. Now this Glory Dome, that's the headquarters of Dunamis International in Abuja. You can see it's a very massive church, So Glory Dome is located along Airport Road, and that is where Kyami District is located. You can see the signpost for Glory Dome. That is where Kyami District is located. Remember that our sole target today is to discuss about Kyami District and what you should know about Kyami District. So we are along Airport Road. Now the airport is a very strategic location in Abuja. I mean, this particular location, anybody passes through this route because this is where the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport is located. So, and from this area to the central business region of Abuja is no less than 25-minute drive. So, I mean, the inhabitants of this location can easily access the central business area of Abuja within a jiffy. So, it's a place that is very, very accessible. You can access the town from this area. This has led to investors massively rushing here to invest in real estate. I mean, this location is among the top 10 strategic locations one can invest in when it comes to profitable real estate investment in Abuja. If you want to invest in Abuja to yield instant returns, let's say 2 years to 5 years duration, then investing in Kyami District at this point in time is one of the best investments you will make now in real estate as it regards to Abuja real estate. You know, from here, if you are driving from this particular area, Airport Road, it won't take you no less than 15 minutes drive to National Hospital and not up to 10 minutes drive to the Federal Medical Center, that's FMC Jabi. So this location is very, very strategic. Like everybody passes through this route because it's Airport Road. People passes through this route to access the Abuja city. So it's making real estate investment in this location to boom. And like I told you earlier, that this location has attracted and is still attracting investors in this location. This is still in this location is where you will find Centenary City. Now Centenary City is a project that has actually delayed, but once they start developing this project, that's Centenary City, and it's going to give this particular location another boom in its nature. People that have investments here are going to experience another boom on their investment because Centenary City has a lot of plans. This is meant to be a recreational center, like the government have plans here. It's also called the Dubai of Nigeria, and it's going to be housing one of the tallest buildings in Africa. Like, it's a place where nobody will come to Abuja without trying to go and see. That's the plan they have for Centenary City, and is located along this Airport Road. Now, our sole concern today is Kyami District. We are headed towards Kyami District now. Kyami District is located in the phase 5 of the Abuja Council. Now, Abuja has 5 phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, phase 5. Now, phase 5 contains 2 districts. We have 93 districts in Abuja, and those 93 districts are divided. They are divided into 5 phases. Now, phase 5 houses only Kyami and Lugbe. Yeah, I'm going to talk about Lugbe, but today's sole aim is on Kyami and why you should invest in Kyami District. So Kyami houses a lot of development coming in. There are a lot of development. In fact, recently, not few weeks ago, the FCC Minister Nyesom Wike awarded the construction of different road network to connect different parts of Kyami District because they saw what is coming. They know the type of projects coming up in Kyami District. They awarded a 5.7 billion naira, yet if I'm not mistaken, for road construction along Kyami District. Now, Kyami District connects to, there's a train station that connects Kyami District to Idu. There's a road that connects Kyami to Idu train station. Now, Idu is another strategic place in Abuja that has a lot of projects coming in there that are investors are already going to Idu. They are already going to do to invest. Now, most of these investors are already heading to invest in Idu. It is another part of Abuja District in Abuja that you should look into investing. It's a very strategic place. Now, there is a road that is meant to connect the Kyami District to Idu. But then currently the road is not tarred, it's not totally tarred, it's still untarred. But when that road has been constructed, when it's being tarred, it's going to be like a dual road. When it's being tarred, it's going to make it easier for people that stay in Kyami to be able to access Idu train station in no less than 10 minutes. So people living there can be able to access both the airport road, both the airport itself, and then Kyami in no less than 10 minutes, and it will be easier for them to access the Abuja Central area in no less than 20 minutes. But currently, from Idu to the Abuja city, Abuja town, currently is like 30 minutes drive, just because of that road that not been comfortable due to their award, because they've awarded those roads, because they've now awarded by the FCT minister. By the end of next year, there is going to be a massive change in what you begin to see in Kyami. So as a result of this, investors are rushing to Kyami to go and invest. Investing in Kyami District now is one of the best real estate investments you can do as regards to real estate investment in Abuja. That's if you want to get yield returns on your investment. If you want to use returns on your investment in less than within 2 to 5 years, 2, 3, 4, and 5 years. So this is it by entering towards Kyami District. This is the entrance to Kyami District. Remember what started from the airport road towards Kyami. Now this is the entrance to Kyami. Now there are a lot of properties in this Kyami. A lot of properties. We have like up to 4 or 5 products selling in this Kyami that are very affordable, because from the next 2 or 3 years from now, you won't be able to get properties cheap in Kyami District. Yes, there are a lot of properties now that are very, very affordable. You can see that cars are moving in there, construction vehicles are going there, just to tell you what is happening within Kyami District. Now, if you want to invest in Kyami, you have interest in getting properties in Kyami, call the number on the screen. Give me a call today. Let me get to the different products you can invest in Kyami to yield a profitable real estate returns. Okay, I am Goodnews Okpabi, popularly known as the real estate guide. What do? I guide you on how to invest profitably in Nigeria real estate, especially in the city of Abuja. Now give me a call today. Let me guide you.